Last time ito ako ulit naman tilapia. Alright. We have a new location that I've never been here before. So, of course, follow men. Follow Marve. Follow Rental. Where? Where is it? Show me. Doon tayo mag-akyat sa ano? Doon. Mag-akyat. Wala. Okay. Doon tayo. Yay! Nahuli naman ako ng... Di ah. Di sa mata. Yay! Yes, I'm satisfied namin. May amin na.
Picture mo na dala yan.
Oh, gago.
Hawak mo ito.
Ano ko na, i-release ko na ito.
Say goodbye. Yan, you release it.
Ay, sana. Come here, you little bitch. Ano ito siya? Parang ano no? Titan.
Bruh.
Nice fight, man. Bye-bye. Yup. Awesome! Yay! I told you, merong isda dito. Now, are you going to fishing again?
Tomorrow na lang. Ay, Monday. Pwede ka Monday.
Election day, man. Monday. Diyan pa rin makapunta pag election day. Okay, bye-bye mga fishing rod namin. DIY lang kasi yan. Mayaman man si Marve. Yay! I'm happy. Ikaw naman man. Dalawang beses na to.
48 hours later.
I need some shave. Yeah. Fishing with Kashito and Marve because Marve is here. Whenever Marve is here, fishing. No, actually not. Sometimes. So the same location. Do you think it's weird? It's different? No, it's the same location. Like last time. Saan yung DIY natin? Ha? Yes. Tigan.
Picture mo na.
Huh?
Ito, may aso pa lang picture mo.
Where? Where, man? But it doesn't matter. All I want is a cat. Yeah. Sorry, Mio.
I can feel the jealousy. Oh.
There's possibly something wrong about this one. Something is a riotous shit. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yep. They have some riots around. Oh, fuck. Yep, we shouldn't go there. This is dangerous for elections. Fuck. Another goby. The goby. Alright, so now another species that nahuli namin Saturday. It's goby. They said na in species siya. Man, do I have to catch and cook with this one? Pero wala tayong lalagyan. Wala tayong lalagyan, men. Wala tayong lalagyan, men. Ha? Ano? Matay na ito. Matay na itong fish. Ay. Okay, so now I finally caught the fish. Oh, would you look at that, man? I caught something! Yay! Okay, dalawa na. Ibang species naman to. I don't know what is this called. Titan? Sige. Hold still. Oh. Hold still, you motherfucker. So, ito na siya itsura. Yeah. Okay. So now, at least hindi natamaan sa mata. I-release ko pa rin ito. Well, look at that! I caught another fish! A big one with a big fat big... I told you, man. Yes! I got a fucking fish. This is the third time. Yes! Different na. Gotcha, you motherfucker! Okay, now for me to... Wait lang. Mata. Hold on. Let me clear the camera. Stand still, you motherfucker! Hey, tatlo na! Woohoo! Yehey! Woohoo! Ano na, men? Ano na, men? Kita ko talaga yung swim ng ng isda. Diba? Nag-swim siya? So, pakatapos kagat. Yay! Yay! No! Fuck yeah! Finally, I catch a crab! Yay! I catch Mr. Krabs. What you gotta do now, huh, Mr. Krabs? What the fuck? I slowly just... Akala ko basura sa pagpat... Ah! Well, it's okay. Goods na rin yan. At least nahuli ko eh.
Nandiyan yun, hanapin mo lang.
Catch and release. Release na yun. Ano?
Sa bahay nyo.
Pagluto na, mas better.
Dapat man, ikaw muna iyan ang mga doon sa bahay nyo. Ikaw na mag-cook.
Saka mo kasi ba? Mga aso doon.
Di i-short film mo lang. Tapos lagyan mo ng sounds.
Welcome to Cooking with Casito. Wala kasi Marve kasi aking lahat ng isda. I'm going to cook for some fish for chicks. Yay!
May tinamaan sa ulo, men. May tinamaan sa ulo. That's big. Oh, very big one. Then,
If I catch the big one, I'll become a mentor. I'll become a mentor. Now, I'll become a mentor. Yay, connected. Yay, love.
we love fishing.
Okay, insert Fishing Kings music.
Oh.
Fuck, stop.
Yo.
I-pause ko muna ito.
Diyan ka lang. Kuha kita mo, Warren.
Hindi. Ano ko lang yung camera ko lang. I-pause ko. Sabi ko i-pause. Wala akong sinabi kunin. Pero kunin lang din ako. Pero pause ko muna yung camera. Okay, na-stuck yung ang fishing rod ko. Pag nahila ni Marv, wala na yung tali. And then, masaya na si Marv. But for me, I need to take rest kasi nahuli na ako ng 4. 3 isda, 1 crabs. And what about you? 0. And now I'm going to take rest. Yes, I can finally take rest, man. What you gonna do about it? Catch a fish? When you going to catch a fish? Never.
If I cut a fish, I will release all your fish.
We'll see about that. Full recording na ito ah. Seriously, man.
That's of my
Karma. That's what you get when you release my lineman. Yes. Bravo ka. I thought you're going to say no. Anyway.
This is where we go around, hook around.
And he cut something like, what the fuck is that? Yun na, pahinga na ako. I'm going to start recording ito. May nylon string pa man tayo pero wala na akong fishing hook. Dindala ni Marve ang extra.
What's happening to me? Maybe I need snacks.
Well, I'm hungry. I'm going to eat now. Bye, man. I have snacks. How was my fishes? Of course, my 3 fishes. Hello, my 3 fishes. Yay! I hope that I'm going to catch the crab one, but it's okay to release. This is my first time I'm catching a crab. In your basement. So now, si Marv never na nakuha ng isang isda. I catch 4. And what bird is this? Oh, look at that.
Skinny fish. A skinny bird.
Oh, let's go home.
Now let's go home.
Without your fish. But my fish. Yay! Right. Follow him. Because delikado yun doon. What you going to do about it, man? Release? Are you sure you're going to release those? Good. I thought you were gonna be releasing it. Yeah. Cos'è? It's all yours, man. It's all yours. It's done. It's fine. Ayaw niya sa'yo. May net na sa fishing set ko. Oo. Diba, bili ko gani nung last time. Yeah.
Ako?
Yeah.
Ba't ka magdala?
Hindi, joke lang. Joke lang, wey. Net, it would be difficult to find, man. I'm just joking, man. I don't have a net. And don't be a cheater. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video for Marv. So please make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe. And I see you all and I sign out. Arigato. You hear that? Now, where's the helicopter? There you go! Helicopter, helicopter. Yeah, you see that? Yes, right there. Bye-bye, helicopter. Fuck you. Yeah, fuck you.